What's up guys, in this video we're gonna do the King Loki suit due to the fact that the new Loki TV series is coming out on Disney+. So the suit that we're making today is the suit that Loki uses in the first Avengers movie, but this is just the part 1. Part 2 of this suit is coming out next week, so stay tuned. In this part 1 we are making the base of the inner suit and the base of the coat. These are the materials that I'm gonna use for this video. We have fake black leather, needle and thread. Now this is just in case you don't have a sewing machine, but if you do have one, then by all means use it. Scissors, also 2 zippers for you to put the suit on more easily, a marker and a measuring tape, which is optional. The first thing we're gonna do is lay a shirt over the black fabric, and we're gonna trace the shape of the shirt with a marker. You're gonna do the same thing twice, and you're gonna cut out both pieces to make the torso of the suit. You're gonna lay down both pieces with the black sides facing each other, and you're gonna start sewing the torso. Once you are done sewing the torso, this is how it's gonna look. The next thing we're gonna add is a square shaped piece that we're gonna sew diagonally like this. After fully sewing this piece together with the torso, this is how it turned out. Before doing the arm sleeves, I added a zipper to the back. And I also added a smaller zipper to the side along with another diagonal squared piece. And even though the side zipper is really optional, I really recommend adding a back zipper because that's really gonna make it easier for you to put on the suit. So yeah, for the sleeves you're gonna cut out 2 shapes like this depending on the length of your arm, and you're gonna sew both pieces like so, doing that for both of the arm sleeves. And once you have both sleeves ready, you can go ahead and sew both of them into the torso. After sewing everything together, this is how the base of the inner suit looks like. So now starting off with the coat, you're gonna measure the length between your shoulders and your calf muscles, right below your knee. For this coat, we're gonna cut out 3 different shapes. The back of the coat, and the 2 pieces that are gonna go on the front. After tracing and cutting out the pieces, this is how they look. Now the only mistake I made when tracing and cutting out the pieces is that I made the coat really big, so I had to trim it down a little bit to match my body type. After sewing the sides together, this is how the coat looks. And I cut out some details on the back part of the coat that this specific suit has. As you can see, I also sewed 2 of the pieces to make this shape in the back of the coat. After a lot of trimming and adjusting, this is how the base of the coat looks with the base of the inner suit all together. This is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this part 1 of the King Loki suit. As I said before, part 2 is coming out next week, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and always remember, don't stop creating.